Ladies and gentlemen, we are in the youth division, 17 to 18 years old boys. Introducing, in the red corner from Upper Bikutan, John Anthony Lontayaw. His opponent in the blue corner from Tiger City, Vincent Sumigaw. Referee for this match is Mr. Jose. Our judges, Mr. Flores, Mr. Dakuma. Okay, first.
Sa pagbaba ng kanyang kaliwa, naku,
Boxing show on Philippine television.
Get
Meron pa
adjusted.
daw, ano eh. Meron pa
Yata yun.
Oo, medyo makatakot yun.
mahirap yun.
Oo.
Women's division. Abab, kanya
Kami ng mga coach.
yan, sina Boy Velasco, papor muna sila.
Kami rin barko.
Baka magko-cruise muna.
Ayaw ang naayaw na sila. Lulit pa. And around number 2.
Okay din ang bonnet nitong kaibigan natin.
Ah,
Okay din itong bonnet. Ano?
oo nga, bago pa uso ah. Bagay ah. 51 kilograms. Ito, musugod si Lontayaw. Try to
Saka walang walang sting.
in blue. Lontayaw, maka-counter naman. Ito, nakakapalitan yung dalawa. Hindi nakakatamaan. Tangled up. Okay, stay tuned folks. We have more of this drama when we come back.